Had to make sure that was locked because I just got a package in. Ready, set, dash. That is DoorDash. This is my new side hustle, also known as my only side hustle. And this is gonna be an unboxing video. I've got my lights on. I've got my side profile light, which is my laptop. A filler light, I think is what it's called. I don't know. But this is just gonna be an unboxing video for DoorDash. Not sponsored by DoorDash, but I'm starting DoorDash, and so this is the unboxing for what they send you when you get the activation kit. You can either do an orientation, or you can get this sent to you, and I don't know what's in here, but we're about to find out. So I don't want this video to be long, so let's just get into it. Let's see what's in the bag, and yeah, so we're gonna open it up. I think I might already know what's in here, but I just wanna make sure. So here we go. Now, first assumption is correct, and this was free, by the way. When you sign up with DoorDash, they send you this for free. They give you a hot bag to keep your food in. This is pretty sweet. It's insulated. It's supposed to keep your food warm. I personally never used one of these, but it's supposed to keep your food warm, and that's kind of important if you're delivering food to people. So this is the first thing. Next thing is you get instructions. I'm gonna put that upside down. Oh wow. So that's it. So you get your bag, and you get your instructions, and you get your red debit card, which I'm not gonna put that on the screen, but it's a red debit card specifically for DoorDash, right? So you can't go out to Walmart and spend money there. As far as I know, if you get an order that requires you to pay, or they will activate the card only for $10 if the order's $10. Like, they only give you enough money to pay for the food. Apparently, from what I hear, you don't have to use the card very often, but it's there if you need it. They give you these instructions. So normally you sign up through DoorDash app. You go in, you go to settings, you click become a Dasher, you fill out the information. It's very, very easy, very, very simple. You do a background check, you put in your information. A couple of days later, they send you this, and you're good to go. I will say I'm in the military, so make sure you get your proper paperwork filled out for a secondary job. But other than that, that's really it. So right here, they're telling me to install the Dasher app. So it's not DoorDash app, it's Dasher. Let me see. So install the Dasher app, set up your red debit card, set up direct deposit. Already did that. You do that when you sign up, and then start dashing. So literally, you can start dashing within a week of signing up. So basically, you can get a part-time job or a full-time job in a week. I haven't used this yet, so I don't know how much it pays, but that's pretty cool. If it's decent. If it's not decent, then it kind of throws everything out the window. But I'm excited. I'm really excited. This is not a review of DoorDash. I'm not taking you on any trips in this video. This is simply an unboxing, showing you what to expect when you get the delivery kit. They have an iOS side and they have an Android side. This is the side of champions. The Apple side is a side for, well, losers. No offense. iPhones are overrated. But yeah, no, I'm excited. I just want to make this video sweet. I just wanted to make this video short and sweet. That's it. That's everything in the bag. That's everything you get. You get your instructions, you get your heat bag or whatever it's called, and you get your debit card. I'm gonna go in, I'm going to activate this card, and I'm gonna get going. I'll see you guys next video. In a later video, in another video, I will take you along for my first day of driving or first day of dashing when I decide to do it. I've got some fitness videos and I have some car videos coming and I have some Dash videos coming. So if that interests you, go ahead and if that interests you, go ahead, please subscribe, please give this video a thumbs up, help it get seen, help it get known, because then that helps me out. It attracts subscribers, and then I can keep my lights on and keep food in my belly. Even though I live in the barracks, I can, whatever. So thank you, till next time. I'll link my Instagram below if you're interested in that. If not, whatever. I'll catch you later. Stay cool.